These are little baby flying foxes, just over a month old, both of them, and they've just had a bath using baby lotion, and they love to be cleaned. Their mothers are meticulous with them. Come on, show us your wings. Now they're airing outside, getting some sunshine, because they need sunshine for their bones to develop. And they're just so gorgeous, alert and intelligent and affectionate, and they make little clicking sounds when they're happy, like a cat purring. Everyone who has them falls in love with them. Dear, dear, dear little things. This is Waldo. Can I come up to you, Mummy? Look at him. I love them to bits. Show us your wings.